Sagot. Is A, as a co-principal, liable for civil libel because he instantly replied and agreed to B's publicly shared malicious and slanderous posts about CC on Facebook? Buti ba iba na sagot? Papasimplihin natin yung senaryo ha. Si B ay nag-share ng malicious and slanderous post towards C sa Facebook. Okay? Ngayon, si A ay nag-reply or nag-komento at nag-agree dun sa shared post ni B. Ang tanong, is A can be considered A as a co-principal for the crime of cyber libel? Co-principal, co-author of the crime of cyber libel. The answer is yes, no, yes, no. Anong sagot natin? No, A is liable accomplice only. O, pakipindot nga yung reaction, tingnan natin. Majority of the answer is letter D, no. Check natin ha. Ang sagot ay letter D. Hindi po pwedeng maging co-principal si A. Why? Kasi nag-reply lang siya and nag-agree. As per the Supreme Court ruling, if ang tao ay nag-agree, nag-react, nag-agree, nagkomento na siya ay nag-a-agree sa isang libelous post, kahit 1,000 pa yung taong nagsumang-ayon doon sa may nag-post, hindi sila makakasuhan as co-principal or as co-author of the crime of cyber libel. Okay? So, ang meron lang doon na liability ay si letter B. No, A is liable as accomplice only, hindi po pwede. Yes, A is liable for cybercrime, hindi rin. So, the correct answer is no. Pero, halimbawa, ang sabi ni BKC sa Facebook, si letter C, minention pa niya, halimbawa, si letter C ay magnanakaw. Tapos ang sabi ni letter A sa comment section, tama ka dyan B, magnanakaw talaga si letter C. Wala yun. Hindi liable si A. Kahit inulit pa niya yung sinabi ni B kasi that is a mere agreement. Okay? Pero kung ang kinoment ni A ay tama ka dyan B, magnanakaw talaga si C. Kabit pa nga yan eh. Kung dinagdagan niya ng word na kabit pa nga yan eh, A will not be considered pa rin as co-principal for the cyber libel. But A will now be a separate author of the crime cyber libel. So kahit nasa comment section yung post ni A na sinabihan niya na meron siyang dagdag na kabit pa nga yan eh. Okay? Kahit nasa comment section lang yon at hindi sa original post, ang batas nakatingin doon as a separate cyber libel case. So si letter B at si letter A ay hindi mag-et al. Hindi sila et al sa isang kaso. So separate crime of cyber libel to B dahil sinabihan niya si letter C na magnanakaw at separate crime of cyber libel for A kasi sinabihan ni A si C ng kabit. Okay? Naintindihan ba? Thumbs up nga kung naintindihan yung ruling natin doon. Okay. Next, and for the last question, so majority of the answer is letter D. Tingnan natin ha. Police Master Sergeant Dindo need to request subscribers' information from the service provider in response to the smishing incident in order to determine who is circulating deceptive information in Laguna. What sort of warrant is required for him to make a request for information from the service provider? So meron naman tayong 4 na cybercrime warrant. Letter A, warrant to examine computer data. Hindi, kasi wala naman siyang i-examine na computer device. Ang gusto lang niya makuha is an information from the service provider. Letter B, warrant to search, seize, and examine computer data. Hindi rin, kasi wala naman din siyang hahanaping computer device. Ang hinahanap niya ay data or information. Letter C, warrant to examine computer data. Same with letter B, wala naman siyang isasalang sa forensic examination. The correct answer here is letter D, warrant to disclose computer data. Okay? So those are the 4 warrants na nilabas ng Supreme Court. Okay? Tandaan nyo wala kayong makikitang cybercrime warrants sa Republic Act 10175. Hindi doon nakalagay ang 4 na cybercrime warrant. Yung 4 cybercrime warrant ay nakalagay sa Rules on Cybercrime Warrant na inilabas ng Supreme Court of the Philippines. Okay? In line with the Republic Act 10175. Okay? So, thumbs up nga kung mayroong natutunan. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay. So, later afternoon, mag-start standby na kayo ng 12:50. So, mag-share ulit ng link before 1 p.m. Okay, so mamaya is FCII, SCI 1, SCI 2, and then yung drugs. And tingnan natin kung may sisingit pa yung Tech 1 and 2. No? But among the courses under the subject CDI, si Tech 1 and 2 naman yung list priority natin.